Where is he? I think he wrote this cookbook. Jorge! Everybody!
It's an absolute pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So Jorge, I hear you've written...
Yes, I have in fact written a couple books. The Flavor Bible, the book that I'm here to present today. Flavor Bible is actually a children's book going on a journey, pursuit of self-discovery. You know, it's great for the kids, got lots of political subtext. I think everyone's going to really like it.
It's a story about what?
It's a story about bunnies.
Fucking junk!
Sorry. So yeah, you got the story of the father, little Floofykins. So I brought my son today. I wanted to introduce him to everybody.
Your son. What's your son's name?
His son's name is Steve.
Look at that camera. What do you wish your son's name could be?
Philip.
Oh, he's just down there. Oh.
My little trooper helped me through everything. It's a great little inspiration when I'm trying to write, and he gives me advice. Think about it, it's the mind of a child, creativity, and personality than most adults have as we grow up into the age. So it's just a definite part of my work, extremely, very influential to my body of work.
What are you doing, man? This is a doll.
Well, I know he's a doll.
Just hold on. I'm gonna read an excerpt. Celery root, celery seed, celery shard.
This is a very specific section of my novel, all right? Red beans and rice with andouille sausage is my favorite.